Today in the garage at the Indian Motorcycle Product Development Center, we're talking performance, particularly the Stage 1 Shorty Slip-On Muffler for the Scout and Scout Bobber. Dan, what can you tell me about this product?
Well, I think the first thing you see is they're styled very much like our FTR Racer. The bodies and the tips are a replica of what we use there. So we've taken that performance from that racetrack and brought it to our consumer version of the motorcycles.
That's great, and this is an easy upgrade for anybody that has a Scout. You can just bolt this on, or is this a dealer install?
Well, it's a dealer install because you do need to reflash the ignition system and the fuel system. It is a simple add-on. They're slip-on pipes, so there's one clamp for each pipe, and you slide them off and you slide the new ones back on. Got a couple bolts in the swing arm brace to hold them on.
I can tell you that straight away this is a major aesthetic upgrade. These pipes look great. I like the lines of them. They fit well with the bike. It's a little more of a sporty look. As far as performance goes, are we getting good numbers out of this? What does it do for the bike performance-wise?
Well, I mean, the exhaust alone gives you about 5% over stock, but there's one other thing we can do to give you 5% more. This performance airbox that we've completely redesigned with a high flow media filter that gives you 5% more. So you couple this with the exhaust, you have a quick 10% more power. Not bad, huh?
It's good, really good.
Nice tone, huh?
It's really nice. The Stage 1 Shorty Slip-On Muffler is a really nice addition to this. You know, there's just something about exhaust on a bike. You gotta be able to hear it, right? This is a really nice compromise. It's not too loud, it's not too crazy, it's not gonna upset your neighbors, it's not gonna drive you crazy on the highway, but you can really hear the motor, and these bikes sound so good.